I'm Diana. I'm from Roger Trees Company, and beside me is foton brand pickup truck. Its brand is Foton, a Chinese brand selling well in the world. FOTON, and its color is blue color. Same model we also have black color too, and if you need other colors, we can change it for you. And here is LED headlights, very cool, very cool. And this pickup truck have 2 rows of seats, can accommodate of 5 passengers. And here is tail. It have 5 tires plus 1 spare tire. The tire number is 245, 70 or 16. Very nice tires, and also have foton logo. Okay, then let's look inside the cabin. Okay, let's look at the inner. First, we can see its steering wheel is on the left, and this is a multi-function steering wheel, and also have foton logo too. So this pickup truck suitable for some left-hand drive countries such as Dominican Republic and Guatemala and so on. And here's its air condition, need manual adjustment. And here's its big screen, can change language to Spanish, English, Chinese. And this is a gearbox. It has 6 forward gear and 1 reverse gear. So this is a manual transmission 4x4 pickup truck. And here we can change 2 high, 4 high, 4 low. Change 4x4 or 4x2 one-way driving. And then here we can put our keys here. And besides this, have a big space. We can put our something here too. Okay, let's see the seats. The seats are made of middle is fabric and side is leather, and brown color and black color. Very comfortable.